want to tell me just what in the fresh turkey hell we're dealing with here?
Long story. It's a ghost. Supposed to be dead. 8 years ago, I put a bullet through his brain.
Great. So we're being chased by the Terminator.
I don't think he's gonna make it.
Well, I don't think you can see over the steering wheel.
Buckle up, fat boy. I'm gonna save your life again.
Samoa! Go in there, Cuba!
Clasificado PG-13.
They wanted a war, they got one. We need to get off the grid.
Create new identities.
Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is
My cock small.
I go by Michael.
Rated PG-13.
Here's how it's gonna go down. You're my sidekick.
Ain't nobody's sidekick.
Hey, boys, the fate of the world is in your hands and you can't even get along.
Pretty disappointed right now.
You want a sidekick? I'm gonna find you one. See that guy over there?
He's too big.
Look at you two, bickering like a couple of old ladies.
Rated PG-13.
I got a shotgun.
I got a shotgun.
No. Don't start. I got a shotgun.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
On my three.
Okay.
Run!
Rated PG-13.
That's it. That's exactly why I hate working with you. Mr. Arson here only knows how to blow up.
No offense. She-Hulk here only knows how to smash.
Look at the two of you. The fate of the world is in your hands and you can't even get along.
You think I'm stupid?
Of course I think you're stupid.
I got it.
No, I got
No, I got it.
Rated PG-13.
Hobbs and Shaw, you want a war? You've got one.
You have a mission to save the world.
Which will be my fourth time, because I'm really good at it.
Clasificado PG-13.
So you guys are being hunted by a genetically enhanced soldier?
I'm Black Superman.
I need my brothers.
Clasificado PG-13.